You may have a winning product and you may want to create a stunning images of your product, but you are running low on your budget. And as you know, photographers and designers cost thousands of dollars to create a portfolio of your SKUs. So in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to leverage 3 tools that can actually turn your product into super product in few seconds. So we will leverage the AI tool, we will leverage the Canva, and we will leverage the free tool which are available in the market. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is you need to click the picture of your product as a raw. What I mean by that is put your product, any product you have, just click the picture in the broad daylight or in a good lighting. Put it on a table or put it on a flat surface, wherever you have, just put it there and click a high quality picture. Every phone has a 4K camera in it, so you can just click with your phone. And after you click that, transfer that to your PC, and afterwards you need these 3 tools. So first thing first is you need a background remover. There are plenty of background removers available in the market. You can just go online and check out free AI image background remover, and there you will find tons of tools available for you. And next, when you erase the background of your product, and now is the time to create a product shot. So first thing we will do is without AI. So without AI you need a tool or any image editing tool, but what we are going to use is Canva. So this particular tutorial is only for the newbies who doesn't know anything about the AI tools, editings, or not as smart as the designers are. So if you are like me, just go ahead. So what you need to do is go to the canva.com, and here you will overwhelmed by the tools you may get, but you need to do is click on the custom size if you have a custom size product size, and you can just clone it, or you can upload the image direct away. So I'm just going with the YouTube thumbnail just to give you an example. So here I have already uploaded the image of my product, which is of the furniture here, and now what we need is a background. So to place this particular couch on a room, obviously this couch will be in the living room. So what we are going to do is going to the elements. So Canva has a stock of free elements, but if you don't find the free elements like here, if it's separate, then you can go to the free stock website like Pixabay, Pexus.com and find there. Okay, so now coming out here, there is a search element. So I will say the living room, just like that. So the thing is, you may not find a living room without a couch. Obviously living room has a couch, but here we got lucky, we have got without a couch. We can place just right here. So to replace that, we are going to just put that in this, drag it like that. So we are going to just drag and drop to the background, just like that, right? So now position will be on the backward, and now we have got this product, and let's minimize that with this selector, and you can place anywhere you want. And now as you can see, these have the shadows in it, so you can search for the shadow as an element. Just go into the graphics, search for shadow, and if you search for the shadows, there are many shadows that are available. Either you can use this, how you can use that. So as you can see, the couch is in the rectangular shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to position that as a backward and flip that vertically. So yeah, so I have flipped that vertically. I'm going to put that here, and now let me just wait. Okay, I can't do, okay, this might not work, so let's go for the another shadow. Yeah, this is what we have searched, going to this. So yeah, we can use this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the size. So as you can see, this is just in the front, and we will position that as a back. So this is something which we can deal with it, and let me just put it here. Yeah, position, let me go positions, where are the layers? So yeah, and duplicate it to add more and position it behind the sofa, and now adjust the transparency to look. Yeah, so that's it. So that's how you can adjust all the shadows of your product shot, and that's how you can actually place your images just like that. So this is the first way you can do is going to the Canva, delete background of your image and put that in a stock photography, just like that. So many people do that just before the AI. And now coming to the AI world, so first tool you can use is Midjourney, which is available for free. You can utilize that also. So going to the Discord, you can use the Discord. They have a web version also, but I think the web version is available for the pro users, but we can use that. You can easily do that same for free users. So what you need to do is going to this, log into the Midjourney, going to the create option. Here I have already created the images you have already created, and there is a image selector button. So I will select this couch, and here I will input my command. So product photography of attached couch in living room, or I will say in a room, gray interiors. And what else we can add? We can add small pot on small table, right? And the gray interiors we have. So you can also customize it like dark gray carpet. Just add more and more props to your images, just like that. And next we will say a photorealistic image, 4K render. And now what we don't need is, so these are the things which we need in our image. So there's something which you you may not need it. So this is the parameter you can add to input a negative prompt. So negative prompt is something which you don't want in your image. So here I would say I don't want any sunlight to it because I just need a interior lights or window lights. Okay, so that's it. So we have a product photography of attached couch. So it will take the inspiration of the attached image, and in a room, gray interiors, small pot on small table, gray carpet, and that's all. So if we just click or type enter, so you will get your output just like here. Let's just wait for it, and there you go. So we have got our image just like that, and there is a different variation. So this is the second one. So we have a 3-seater. So yes, this looks actually fine and very realistic. So that's how you can use Midjourney to create a photo, but there is a catch. So if you have a label on your image, then this method may not work because it only take inspiration from your attached image and then it will create its own art from scratch. So the image you have attached is only for the inspiration. So if you have a label on it, it may not work. So this is the limitation of Midjourney. So if it doesn't have any label, then you can go ahead with it. For example, here I've created product photography of a serum. So this is a vitamin C serum. So I've included the placed around vitamin C rich fruits and vegetables, and it has a vitamin C rich fruit and vegetable, but it doesn't have any label attached to the serum image. So there is a catch. So it has any label attached to it, then it may not work. So this is the limitation of Midjourney. So now removing these limitations, we are moving forward to the third method which may work for you the best. So what you need to do is going to the app.copyrocket.ai. So this will be your dashboard. Just sign up for it, and there you have a tool called AI product shot. So this is actually an amazing tool. So just drag or drop your product image or just select your image just like that. So I have selected the image, and there we need to select the background category. So even if you haven't deleted the object from the background, if you have a raw image, that also work in this. So there is a different kind of categories included, studio, and there is different light, wood, and something. So our product shot is of a furniture. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the interiors. Let's see. Yeah, there is a furniture, and there is a modern interior, minimalistic interior, Japanese interior. So I think modern interior will work because our couch is a modern category. So let's click on the generate. So it will take some time to generate our product, just in the few seconds, and there you go. So it has a perfect studio quality image of your product just like that. It has added everything on its own, matching your product image. So you can do it indefinitely with this tool, and if you have hundreds of plus images, you can sign up for it and get started. So these are the 3 methods you can use to create a AI photo shoot, and there are also 10 plus tools available which I have listed in the description box. Just check that out and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.